Front flat tire. Bummer. See, I should have everything we need.
Except a tube.
Pouch kit.
Yeah, you have a pouch kit?
I should.
I have a center stand.
There it is, right there, buddy.
You don't have any air though. Oh, you do? Okay. Are these tubeless?
Nope.
So
They're tubeless, we just plug it.
how am I gonna get the wheel off?
Alright. What we do is this. I was actually reading about all the tubeless solutions last night. 3M makes this tape that's amazing. You tape the rim on the inside. It's awesome. Our bikes are doing well, except for Travis just got a flat tire. So we just pulled all the tools out in order to fix it. Alright, here we are. Just got done shooting the tire repair on Travis's front tire. Got a pinch flat. Now we're back on the road. But anyway, I'm Kyle, this is Travis. Thanks for watching our little video today. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. If you like Africa Twins, give it a thumbs up. If you want more action like this to come directly to your inbox, hit that subscribe button, and more importantly, the notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.